This is the 13th equation on the equation sheet. Let's go ahead and prove it. The first concept you want to know is the angular displacement is equal to the linear displacement over the radius. You may already learn this in math. When you use arc length, you divide it by the radius. You can have the arc measure in radian units. And as the consequences of this formula in here, you will lead to the omega or angular velocity equal to the velocity in linear divided by the radius. Similarly, you have angular acceleration equal to linear acceleration divided by radius. Now let's go back to the very first equation on the equation sheet. V equal VO plus AT, and then you're gonna simply divide it by R on both sides, and you're gonna get omega equal to omega O plus alpha, acceleration in linear divided by radius, not actually alpha, then times this, and you have it.